Okay, everybody, so I got the car finished with the first session of buffing and polishing. Looks really good. Came out really nice. Getting ready to start the second one. Here. See light pretty good in here. Where is it at? There it is. Looks very orange, that's for sure. All right, so here we go. Start with the number 2. Right here, like I explained here just a little bit ago, with the black pad. And we'll just see how big of a difference you can see on the camera here. Situated. So I took in, after I got finished with the number 1 compound, walked around the vehicle and I wiped it all completely down. Everything, made sure it was nice and clean and had all that residue of the number 1 compound off of there. I think I'm going to do like I did earlier, just do a small spot to show you. Usually start my machine right at the lowest setting so it doesn't jump. And this machine jumps in, you know, if you pull the trigger full blast, it just jumps, then it settles back down. So it'll start slinging your material. So you got to be careful of that if you have a, you know, this machine here. Once I gather up material and get my area marked that I want to hit with this first little spot, just work it back and forth a little bit and get my whole area completely covered. Then I crank it up to about 1200 RPMs. A little more material on here. Get the pad worked in, get some material on the pad so it's not too dry. a couple minutes. Set this down. So when I did my first session with the rubbing compound, it took about, I would say about 4 hours to get that completed. And that was the complete car, all the very bottom rockers and everything. I'm gonna leave this here like that so you can see basically where I stopped at. I want to try to drag this light over here. You can see this one here. This is kind of awkward. Drag that light all the way back to here. Right in here, if you can see that. Yeah, you can definitely see the haziness back here. Back here where this light is. So it's definitely putting more of a nice shine to it. And this is with the number 2. And when you come back with the number 3, it really puts a good shine on it. So there you go. That's gonna, the next thing I do here, go ahead and continue on and finish the whole car with the number 2, and then I'll come back with the number 3 and we'll see comparison on that. All right, everybody, thank you. I'll be back in a few minutes. Take care.